How to generate images with AI. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to generate amazing images with AI, even if you've never used an AI tool before. Firstly, what is AI image generation? AI image generation is the process of creating images simply by describing what you want using text. The more detailed your description, the better the result. Choose an AI image generator. There are several AI image generation tools available today. Popular options include ChatGPT, Adobe Firefly, Canva AI Image Generator, Leonardo AI. Most of these tools work similarly. You enter a prompt, click Generate, and the AI creates images based on your instructions. Write good prompts. The secret to great AI images is writing good prompts. Good prompts often include subject, background, lighting, style, camera angle, image quality. Choose an art style. AI can create images in many styles. Examples include cartoon, anime, digital art. Simply include the style in your prompt. Improve your results. If your image doesn't look right, add more details, specify colors, describe the mood, and include camera angles. Small changes can dramatically improve your results. If you don't like the result, simply modify the prompt and generate again. Create YouTube thumbnails with AI. One of the best uses of AI is creating YouTube thumbnails. You can generate background images, dramatic scenes, technology concepts, business graphics, and creative illustrations. Create content for social media. AI images are perfect for Instagram posts, Facebook graphics, blog articles, and marketing campaigns. This saves both time and money. Avoid common AI image mistakes. Many beginners make mistakes like using very short prompts, expecting perfect results immediately, ignoring image quality settings, or not experimenting with styles. Remember, AI image generation is a creative process. Keep testing different prompts. How to make money with AI images. You can use AI images to design YouTube thumbnails, create social media graphics, offer freelance services, design marketing materials, build content for businesses. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and tech tutorials.